Businessman. A businessman is a person who makes a living by running a business. They can own their own company or work for a large corporation. Businessmen play a key role in the economy by creating jobs and providing goods and services. Their work can be exciting, but also challenging. One of the main jobs of a businessman is to develop a business idea. This idea can be anything from a new product to a service that people need. A businessman needs to find a gap in the market and think of ways to fill it. This often requires creativity and good research. They must understand what customers want and how to meet their needs. After developing an idea, the next step is to create a business plan. A business plan is a detailed document that outlines how the business will operate. It includes information about the target market, competitors, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan helps the businessman stay organized and focused. It is also essential when seeking funding from investors or banks. Funding is crucial for starting a business. A businessman may need money to buy equipment, hire employees, or rent a location. They can get funding from personal savings, loans, or investors. Finding the right funding source can be challenging, but it is essential for getting the business off the ground. Once the business is established, the businessman must manage daily operations. This includes overseeing employees, managing finances, and ensuring that products or services are delivered on time. Effective management skills are crucial in this part of the job. A good businessman must know how to motivate their team and keep everyone on track. Communication is key for a businessman. They must communicate clearly with employees, customers, and suppliers. Good communication helps build strong relationships, which are important for success. Businessmen often hold meetings to discuss goals, solve problems, and share updates. Listening to feedback from employees and customers is also important for improving the business. Marketing is another essential part of a businessman's job. They need to promote their products or services to attract customers. This can involve creating advertisements, running social media campaigns, or hosting events. A businessman must understand their target audience and find the best ways to reach them. Effective marketing can help grow the business and increase sales. Sales are a major focus for businessmen. They need to sell their products or services to generate revenue. This often involves negotiating with customers and understanding their needs. A successful businessman knows how to close deals and build long-term relationships with clients. They must also be prepared to handle objections and answer questions. Financial management is crucial for any businessman. They need to keep track of income and expenses to ensure the business is profitable. This involves creating budgets, monitoring cash flow, and preparing financial reports. A good businessman must be organized and detail-oriented to manage finances effectively. They may hire an accountant or financial advisor to help with this part of the job. Risk management is another important aspect of being a businessman. Every business faces risks, such as market changes, competition, and economic downturns. A businessman must be able to identify these risks and develop strategies to minimize them. This could involve diversifying products, adjusting prices, or improving customer service. Being proactive in managing risks helps ensure the business remains stable. Networking is also important for businessmen. Building relationships with other professionals can open doors to new opportunities. This can include partnerships, collaborations, or mentorships. Attending industry events, conferences, or networking meetings can help businessmen connect with others in their field. Networking can lead to valuable insights and resources that can benefit the business. Time management is a crucial skill for businessmen. They often have many responsibilities and tasks to complete. A successful businessman knows how to prioritize tasks and manage their time effectively. This helps them stay focused and productive. Using tools like calendars, to-do lists, and project management software can help keep everything organized. The job of a businessman can be stressful. They face many challenges, such as meeting deadlines, managing employees, and handling financial pressures. Stress management techniques, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time with family, can help businessmen cope with the demands of their job. Finding a healthy work-life balance is essential for long-term success. Adaptability is also important in business. Markets change and consumer preferences evolve. A businessman must be willing to adapt their strategies and offerings to stay relevant. This could involve launching new products, entering new markets, or changing marketing tactics. Being flexible and open to change helps a businessman stay competitive. Success in business often requires persistence. Many businessmen face setbacks and failures along the way. The key is to learn from these experiences and keep moving forward. A successful businessman does not give up easily. They remain determined and focused on their goals, even in difficult times. Continuing education is important for a businessman. The business world is constantly evolving, with new trends and technologies emerging. Staying informed about industry changes, attending workshops, and seeking additional training can help a businessman remain competitive. Lifelong learning is crucial for personal and professional growth. In conclusion, the job of a businessman is multifaceted and dynamic. It involves developing ideas, managing operations, and making strategic decisions. Businessmen play a vital role in the economy by providing jobs and services. While the job can be challenging, it is also rewarding. Successful businessmen are skilled in communication, management, and problem solving. With hard work and dedication, they can turn their business dreams into reality.